We are at Prakriti Hydro Labs assembly unit in Kanakpura Road, and this is Mr. Murali, the founder member of Prakriti Hydro Labs. Murali is going to explain to us the test setup he has in his assembly unit. Over to you, Murali.
This setup, we have a testing unit from 1 to 5 kilowatt. We have a pump for generating the required head. This is the pump. It goes through this pipe.
Yeah, so this is the pump,
The pump generating the required head.
which simulates the head.
And this is a valve for controlling.
This is a valve for controlling.
This is the pressure gauge. This is what is the pressure. This is the generator. Water running as generator. This is a turbine. This is a single nozzle machine. After passing through the machine, the energy gets converted, flows through this. We have a capacitor for self-excitation. Then this is the input also coming from the generator. This is the control panel. This is the input plug.
This is the input from the turbine.
Generator.
This is the output.
Going to the load. You
Yeah.
can see the load there. This
So
has
the
a
control panel also has an electronic load controller.
for controlling the power generated between the user load and the dummy load. This is the user load.
So that plays the role of the user load right now. So there are 5 bulbs of 200 watts each. So this is a 1 kilowatt system. And
So now it's 800 watts and the rest of the 200 watts is going here. This
Yeah.
is the dummy.
so this is a dummy load.
Here resistor being used as a dummy load.
Right.
You can see here the voltage is kept the same as it was earlier. Even though the users is only 220 volts all the time.
Right. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Okay. So despite change in load, the voltage is kept stable. That's the role of the electronic load controller. Murali, this is a product that PHL is making.
Yeah.
Can you briefly explain what the use of this product is on field, who uses it, where? Very briefly.
This is used where you have a flowing water of maybe 15 meters to 30 or 15 meters set. Used in estates, coffee estates, tea estates, farms. Wherever you have a flowing stream for maybe more than 6 months a year, it is possible to be used.
Yeah, so you have installed around how many of these?
So far, you have installed around 250 machines in Karnataka.
So
over
around-
a period of 3 years.
Yeah, over a period of 3 years, 250
Yeah,
machines, largely for remote people who do not have access to electricity.
Most of them, yes.
Each costs approximately how much?
Around installation, including installation and all the other services, around 90,000 per kilowatt for a 1 kilowatt system.
Plus the civil cost.
Yeah, plus the civil cost. So overall project cost we expected to be around 1,50,000 rupees.
Okay.
Roughly.
Okay, thank you, Murali.
Thank you.